Okay, here we go. Now we're going to re-screw these screws back in and hold that cover down over the battery. With the brain of your bike, just tighten these guys up. They take a real bolt. You can't cross them or hardly anything. And we're going to put the seat back on. All the wires are tie wrapped. All the tie wraps are cut. We've got this little cover that comes down behind this seat for the to cover up all the wiring that we ran. Again, one wire for power's coming through here, one wire for rear camera, and one wire for the front camera. And that's it. Piece of cake. Throw the seat back on it. Just a little bit more forward. Kind of wiggle it back and forth to get it. We're lined up with that hole in the back. Let me grab my cordless and the screw. We'll put this guy back in. It's pretty simple, but you gotta have power. Uh-oh! You don't want that to happen. Make sure your washer's still on, and it is. I think this one's permanently connected. So we just dropped the screw down in the bottom of the frame. Had to fish it out. It's a little bit of work. Tighten that guys up. Don't over tighten that screw, because if you do, you're never going to get it out. No Loctite on that screw either, ever. No, that's the only bolt on the bike that doesn't get any Loctite. Is that guy right there. We push this back down, makes a nice finished edge, and we'll put our strap back on. Can't forget the strap, the hand strap for the